Understanding a closed book, exploring its meaning and use. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, a closed book. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used to describe people, situations, or subjects. Stick with us to unlock its meaning and learn how to use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, a closed book, refers to something that is difficult or impossible to understand or know about. Think of a book that is shut tight. You can't see what's inside, right? Similarly, when we say someone or something is a closed book, we mean that their thoughts, feelings, or aspects of the subject are not easily revealed or understood. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. Describing people. My brother is a closed book. He rarely shares his thoughts or feelings with anyone. Referring to subjects or topics. Quantum physics is a closed book to me. I find it incredibly complex and challenging to understand. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, applying to both individuals and various subjects. Using a closed book in your speech can add depth and nuance. Here's how you can incorporate it. When talking about someone who is mysterious or reserved, you might say, "Even after years of friendship, I feel like she's still a closed book to me." If discussing a subject you find difficult or incomprehensible, you could express, "Despite my best efforts, calculus remains a closed book." Remember, the phrase is typically used in more formal or reflective contexts, rather than casual conversations. Understanding and using the phrase, a closed book, can enrich your English communication, allowing you to describe complex feelings and subjects with a simple, yet powerful expression. We hope this video has opened up the book of your English learning journey a little more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your own sentences. See you in the next video.